I have the OnePlus 7 Pro here, and today I'm going to show you how to potentially fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular connectivity issues by resetting it on both the OnePlus 7 as well as the OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, this is actually a feature that I've only seen Samsung implement in their version of Android for a long time. I haven't seen, I can't recall many or any other OEMs implementing a feature specifically to reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile cellular connectivity to hopefully fix any type of issues that you're currently experiencing with any of those three things. Now, I will be going into a deeper dive of how to fix Bluetooth related issues in a future tutorial. So today I just want to focus on this specific general settings option. So of course we're going to dive into the settings application. And from here we're just going to scroll down a little bit till we see the system option. We're going to tap on that. And then you see we have the reset options menu right here. And from here, we have different things. We can do a factory reset from within Android right here. We can reset our application preferences. But today I'm going to just focus on the top option, which lets us reset Wi-Fi, mobile connectivity, and Bluetooth connections. And this is a way to reset these three things without having to do a factory reset and lose the data that you have on your device. So it's specifically for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. We're just going to tap on the blue reset settings button. And then we get a confirmation screen asking are we sure we want to reset our network settings. So we're going to tap on reset settings again, and our network settings have been completely reset, which again includes our Wi-Fi, our Bluetooth connections, and our mobile data. Now, as you can see, as soon as I tap that button and reset our network connections, I lost connection to Wi-Fi because it dropped all of my Wi-Fi connections. Even if I go in here, I don't have a saved Wi-Fi networks option here because it resets all those connections. So if you're going to see that for your Wi-Fi, any type of Wi-Fi networks that you have saved within OxygenOS, you're going to see that with any Bluetooth devices that you have paired with the device. And your mobile data should just reset and reconnect on its own. You shouldn't have to, unless you have had to manually enter in certain things to get mobile data working with your carrier and your SIM card, then you don't really need to worry about, reconnecting to your mobile data, because the SIM card is there. It will connect on its own. And there you have it. That is just a quick way to reset our network settings, which resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and our mobile data connections, in an attempt to fix any type of connectivity issues that are related to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or your mobile data. And this will work on both the OnePlus 7 as well as the OnePlus 7 Pro.